everyone, welcome back to the channel and a new video. I'm just taking Lucy out for a quick run. Also, we've had the cold spell, so I'm going to make sure she's started alright. So I'm just going to take her for a little blast, just make sure she's give her a run rather than just let her sit there idling. So give her a little blast. Hope you've all had a good new year. Just to let you know, coming up this year is Moggy Fest at the Bewley Museum on May the 17th and 18th. So I'm hoping to go to that. And then you've got the Owners Club Rally up in Nottingham, which is the 3rd to the 5th of July, I think. So I'm going to be going to that as well. So those videos are coming up as well. Be fitting a new choke cable at some point. Probably do that at the end of this month. Just to, I've got a few days off, so get that done. Sort the headlights out, which I think is bad earth. Get that done, and then start getting it ready for the shows and that this year. Then, so. What I might do is go up to the petrol station just at the top of Egg Buckland, put some petrol in her, just make sure she's got some, and then come back. She goes to a little run, doesn't it? Has anyone taken the moggies out in the snow and ice? Drop a comment, just let me know if you have or not. I didn't bother with Lucy, we didn't really get a lot of snow down here, but they gritted the road, so I didn't really want to take her out with all that salt on the road. I know some people use their bodies all year round, so yeah, drop a comment if you took your moggy out no matter what the weather. Also in the process of designing some new merch, so I'll leave a link where you can check out the merch store, and if you fancy buying something, the prices aren't that expensive, so yeah, check that out. Choke cable, I can't even pull it out on the dash. I've had to pull it out from the engine bay and start it from the car and then just adjust it as and when. I mean, it's saying she's got just under half a tank, but we all know how inaccurate moggy fuel gauges are, don't we? So I'll just fill her up. I know she's got petrol in her. We've got the petroleum. Yeah, supreme. Ideal. Alright, that's Lucy's throat of the go-go juice. Okay, even though she's filled up, which was 23 quid, it's still showing 3/4 of a tank. Yeah, I brimmed it, so just goes to show how inaccurate the fuel gauges are on Morris Minors. It gives her a little run, doesn't it? These are not too dark. I've still got to sort these headlights out. Blind Man Morris reckons it could be a bad earth, which I'm hoping it is. So it should be easy enough to sort out. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed that little run just at the petrol station. That was only a quick drive just to give her a little run. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. Doesn't cost you anything. If you want to join my Instagram page, it's VKT193J. If you want to follow her on Facebook, she's got a Facebook page, Mike's Rambles with Lucy the Morris Miner. Send me a request and I'll add you to that. And obviously she's got her own YouTube channel, Mike's Rambles with Lucy the Morris Miner, where I'll post videos and vlogs of car shows, maintenance and all that kind of thing. So if you want to do that, you can do that. And obviously I've got my own merch store, so I'll leave a link in the description of the video. Go check that out, buy lots of lovely merch. There is a new design coming out which I'm working on. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your week and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.